So here's the larynx, and the larynx continues as the trachea, so it becomes the trachea, and the trachea continues down into the thoracic cavity. The esophagus is fixed to the back side of the trachea here, but if you work your way down, the trachea is going to split into the right and left primary bronchi or main bronchi. So this would be the very short right bronchus. These would be secondary bronchi then here. And so that's very nicely shown. And the cat's lung lobes are a little different than the human. In the human, you have 3 lobes on the right side, 2 on the left. If you add a lobe to each side, that's what a cat has. So a cat has a superior, a middle, and a pretty large inferior right lobe, along with a smaller accessory lobe, which is kind of in the middle here, sitting on the mid portion of the diaphragm, but that goes with the right side. And then on the left side, you have a superior, a middle, and a pretty large inferior lobe of the left lung. So the cat has 4 and 3. This membrane on the inside of the chest cavity here is going to be parietal pleura, and covering the lungs is the visceral pleura, and between the two, the space is going to be the pleural cavity. One final thing, making the diaphragm, which is this large muscle here, contract. I'm hoping that you have phrenic nerves. Do you guys have phrenic nerves? Oh no, I don't think we have phrenic nerves. So we'll have to find a cat that has phrenic nerves. They often get cut in the dissection. So we do not have, this is part of a phrenic nerve right here on the cat's right side, and then we're missing the one over here. So we'll find a good cat with phrenic nerve.